This is the story of how we turned this shed into this tiny home in 3 months. We found a shed we thought would make the perfect house for us. Adorable porch, kitchen area, and loft for sleeping. Step 1 was to build a level pad. We poured in 4 sections, pouring 1 per day, separated by concrete expansion joints, mixing and pouring 60-pound bags 2 at a time. This took 2 weeks with leveling and prep. Next, we scheduled delivery. One of the coolest trailers we've seen dropped this perfectly in place, which is key when you have a septic line to match up with a bathroom. The first change we made was to add some windows we found in a scrap yard to the loft where we'll be sleeping. This view is why. Next, we extended the loft 2 feet to fit a queen-size mattress and framed a 5x6 bathroom and a 5x5 closet toward the back of the house. Then plumbing and electric, and the sheetrock mud, tape, and texture. Working around the appliances proved difficult, but the weather wouldn't let us keep them outside. We learned from previous projects to paint, then install flooring. Here is the vinyl flooring installation. It's pretty easy and inexpensive, and I think it looks fantastic. This is the basic kitchen floor plan outlining the standard appliance and cabinet sizes that can be found at Lowe's, Home Depot, or IKEA. Because our winters look like this, we need a wood-burning stove and a hearth to put it on. This is a herringbone style that I found on Pinterest. We built it in a 4x4 using cinder blocks and concrete board. It's solid. We threw a mattress in the loft and a couch against the wall. We moved the appliances and plugged them into our mostly working kitchen. Then we parked the Polaris and moved in. It's cozy, and hopefully soon we can do an update with all the finishing touches like window trim, interior doors, and kitchen countertops. Subscribe if you'd like to see more slick city ditchers. Thanks for watching and happy off-gridding!